Yeah, I'm here again. It's the same day, about 5 minutes later. And I'm doing what's inside my great-grandma's sewing box. It's in this box, and it opens up like that. We add some to elevate it. There we go. There we go. Came with this little sewing tray with some thread in it. Some lace. Pins. Singer needles. Bead restoring set. Some different colored lace. Elastic. I have no clue what this is. Some it looks like waistband elastic. More elastic, but that's fancy elastic. Can't open that box, sorry. Side. Some thread. Some ribbon with the pin in it, and I just poked myself. I don't think that's meant to come off. Some more elastic, or wait, is this Velcro? No, it's elastic. I hope she has some stick-on Velcro in here, because this is new to me. Shoelace, thread, ribbon, more elastic, I think. It's elastic. Some thread that she probably used a lot. Pins. More elastic. She does love elastic. This was our Bettendorf quilting thread. This is what my mom used to make. My great-grandma used to make my mom quilts. We have this. More elastic. This lady loves her elastic. I say lady, but she's my great-grandma. More elastic. This heat bond. More elastic. No, I'm just kidding. Thread. You always have to have a good array of thread. Hook and dies. Looks like 14. A yarn needle. It's a bunch of thread needles. And then some yarn needles. Yeah. This elastic. More hook and eyes. Some thread. And then this thread. And this one has what it looks like a needle in it. This thread. This, my other grandmother has this, I think. I'm not sure, but it's a pin cushion. Some buttons. Ooh, some thread that was never opened. 3 for $1. Yay! Sale back then. Pins. Even more pins. Guess what's next? Elastic! The other sewing box didn't have very much elastic. Some of this thread. This black thread. This metal thread, this thread that's white and black. Some really skinny elastic. Thimble. More elastic. more elastic. This thread, I don't know what this is. It says Dr. Scholl's, but I don't know what it is. Can somebody leave a comment telling me what this is? Needles. More elastic. Some red thread. Some black thread with a needle in it. Some of this like yarn looking thread. Some small snaps or brads. Wait, no, those aren't brads. Thread. I'm not going to show you all the thread. Some just in this box. Some more pins. This little sewing kit, it had 2 safety pins, some thread, and a button. And then the needle she probably took out and put in there. And this is like when it was starting, just plastic thread was starting to come out. Yes! No! I don't have them anymore! Sorry. More unopened thread, and you can kind of just peek in here and see. So yeah, I'm probably gonna take everything out and organize it, and I'll be back when I'm done with that.